Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how you can design membrane by using Mem Builder. Mem Builder is a tool which you can use to design lipid bilayer, which is required for the simulation of membrane protein. Okay, so for this, you can use this tool. Here, first you have to select the number of lipid in each monolayer. It's depend on you how much lipids you want in each monolayer. So you can add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I mean, it's depend on your requirements. Then the number of lipid in membrane bilayer, which is 288. Then thickness of the membrane, length of the membrane. Then you have to select the force field, which force field you want to use to design your lipid bilayer. Then you have to here write the name of the membrane. Here I mention my membrane. Then you have to write the name. I mean, you have to enter your email address. After this, you have to add how many NaCl are required, or which ions are required. Like you want to add NaCl, you want to add calcium, I mean CaCl2, magnesium MgCl2, or KCl. Which one you want to add? Sodium, potassium chloride, calcium, magnesium, what you want to add to neutralize the lipid bilayer. Then how you want to add 0.100. It is about basically the concentration of NaCl you want to add. Then here you want to design, I mean, you want to add the lipids like POPG, POPC, POPE, DPPE. These are basically the composition of the lipid. If you want to learn more about all of these, you can read this article. This article basically give you the information of all of these, like what is CHOL, what is DOPC. Actually, these are the different types of lipids that will be in your membrane. Okay, then you have to add the number of the lipid that you want in outer layer and then inner layer. You know that lipid bilayer is basically composed of two layers. One is inner layer and one is the outer layer. Okay, and lipid bilayer will be like this one that you are mostly seeing in molecular dynamics simulation. So these are different phospholipid that you have to add. After this, you have to click on build membrane. Okay, once you click on this, it will give you different file. Like here you can see, you can find the PDB and GROMEX input file of your construct bilayer. This is the membrane PDB file that you can open in PyMol, Discovery Studio, or Chimera. You can open in any visualization tool. These are the GROMEX coordinate file. These are the minimization log file, and these are the GROMEX topology file. These files are the different file that you can use. Okay, so you can open your lipid bilayer in PyMol, and you can see the structure of your lipid bilayer. So I already have one lipid bilayer. Here I will show you your lipid bilayer will look like this. So you can use this for molecular docking and molecular dynamics simulation. Thank you for watching this video.